Where's yours?
They're yours.
Oh, I see.
No, here yours. Right here.
Okay, sit down. Look at mommy. Let's have it. Luke, sit down.
What is that?
Katie, wait for mommy.
M&M?
Smile. Hey. That's cute.
Okay, let's open some
Luke,
presents.
hang on, let's do your stockings.
Oh, open your stockings.
Such a rush. Look.
I don't know your plan.
Well, I'm kind of just taking our time because mom's
Okay.
putting it down. Should we shake them out? Suki. Take yours over here, Luke.
Angie, it's over there.
Katie, can you? Okay, let's open
Hey.
one of Luke's.
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't know that was on. Look. Can you open this? Open it?
Katie, you want to open one?
Hard.
Hey, Lukey, look.
It is.
Luke, look. Let's see what's in it. Should we open it?
Lukey, what is that?
Oh, we should make this first.
What is that? M&M's? Are those yours?
What is that? A necklace. Did you ask for a necklace? Look, it's
You
a
did?
necklace. Look, it looks like you can put this one on there, or this one, or that one. Is that very pretty? I can't believe your very first present you picked is what you asked for. You want to open that one? It's too hard. Another one. Let's see what's in there.
Wow. Do you like it?
You put it on? Oh, it's so pretty. Do you like it? Lukey, do you want to open a couple?
Oh, I will show you where that was.
This is your necklace, honey.
So you can't break it.
Here, let me put the lid back on.
No, you can't.
Here, this is the lid, honey. This goes on top. Hey, look. The necklace is hanging out the side. You're going to break it. Lukey, did you see your card? Do you want it?
Yeah.
Lukey, what'd you get?
That guy.
You got a car?
Yeah.
Car?
Go like this.
Oh.
Look at him.
Hang on, honey. Let me put this lid back on. Do you think that is?
Angie.
Oh, no, Luke, get your present.
You want to open this one?
Yeah.
Get it.
Is that another Barney?
Just another Barney.
You got another Barney video?
Yeah.
Can we keep that one in the van?
Yeah.
Do you like your socks?
Luke, you want to open that one? Rip it open.
I can
Open it
show
out,
you.
Katie.
I can
Show him how to open it.
Open it go like that.
Show Lukey.
Go like that.
Luke, go sit by Katie. Go sit over there for a minute. First sit down. First sit down. Get your card. in a minute. Get your car.
Emma. Emma.
Look what Katie has for you.
Look at that. Emma. Emma. Emma.
Oh, don't open those now. He just shakes them.
We can have them in a little bit.
Emma.
Look, Katie, or Luke.
Luke, look. Open your car.
Katie has another car for you.
I have a card for you.
Lukey, look.
I can get it from you.
Okay.
Here, Lou. Here. This is yellow.
That is yellow. Show me your car. Katie.
Katie, what did you just give Luke?
No.
You did?
Yeah. I just.
Oh, I gotta hold this. You gonna go open more presents?
Katie, what about... Did you see this? Is that new billfold? Who's on it? Nora, show Daddy.
Yeah. You gonna keep all your dollars in there?
I can see my picture.
Oh, this doesn't have pictures on it.
Why?
It's a video. Lukey. You sure? Wait a minute. Katie, what's in here?
What is that, Luke?
Another ornament.
You got another one?
Lukey, you don't need that. Did you see your socks? Did you get new socks?
Yeah.
You did. What about this? Should Lukey open up this last one?
Okay.
Luke, you don't need the ornament. It's not a cookie.
It looks like a cookie, doesn't it?
Look what Katie has.
What I have for you.
Is that hard to open?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Katie, your hair's wild.
Oh, no.
Look, Luke. Look what Katie has.
Hey.
Give that to Luke.
Loud card for
You
Luke.
brought a lot of cars for Luke?
Okay. And I get for Luke.
Okay.
And so, just green.
That is green. That is right. Did you get a new car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Luke, what is that?
Katie.
Vroom vroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is green.
That's Luke's. Uh-huh.
I'll open it.
Can we wait?
Yeah, we have to open all those other presents first.
Should we take turns opening presents? You do one and then Luke does one? What's the rush? We've got all day.